Personal information. My name is Darwin Quinones Sinin. I am 23 years old and I am industrial engineering student at UNA currently in my second semester. I live in the municipality of San Martin Cesar with my wife, who be pregnant. My family consists of my mother, my grandparents, my uncle, and my pregnant wife. Daily routine. Every day I wake up very early, pack my breakfast, and go to work as a production assistant at that company, Confipetrol. After un ride home at night, I dedicate time to my family and fulfill my responsibility as a student. On my day off, I enjoy going for walk, exercise, and taking my family out to eat. MS description. She be Juliana, a secretary at that company Movistar. She be currently receiving a call from a frustrated customer who be upset about the poor service that have been customer who be have been provided over that last will. This situation because some distress for that secretary. Due to that customer harass work. Today she be wearing a formal green shirt. Thank you.